Welcome to the HR Learning Hub, where we decode HR concepts, dive into people analytics, and learn how to tell stories, not just share numbers. In this video, we will create simple, beginner-friendly, interactive attrition dashboard in Excel. In case you want to understand attrition formula in depth, I will leave a link above of another video. If this is your first time creating dashboards, you will find this video extremely helpful. We will see how we can organize our calculations, pivot table, and learn everything step by step. This is the dashboard that we will create. It has total employee count, total exits, voluntary exits, involuntary exits, attrition percentage. We have charts for tenure-wise and exit reason-wise distribution. We have another line chart for monthly attrition count. All of this can be further filtered using the slicers. We have department-wise slicer. The data is updating as per the slicer. We have grade-wise slicers. Data is getting updated as per the slicer. We have one more chart which is a little more complex, which is monthly attrition percentage. We will also learn to do this, but in another video. Let's begin. Let's understand the data first. We have employee code, employee name, gender, grade, department, whether the employee is active or not. This is done basis formula. If the exit date is blank, then status is active. If there is a date in exit date column, then it will be inactive. We have date of joining, exit date, exit type, exit reason, manager name, tenure, which is again calculated using formula, tenure group, which is calculated using ifs formula. I will leave a link above for you to see how we can apply ifs formula. I have opened another file so we can start to build the dashboard from scratch. This is the dashboard. I've done some formatting over here. From view, I have removed the grid lines. I have merged some columns and then given some headers over here. To create month-wise exits or attrition percentage, we will first need to create a calendar table. Let's first create a pivot table. Insert, pivot table, new worksheet. Make sure that you click on add this to data model. Okay. Come to pivot, manage, design, date table. Click on new. This will automatically create a date table that will include the entire date range starting from the earliest date range that you will have in your table to the latest one. We will create relationship now. Come to design, create relationship. From calendar table, select date. From exit data, select exit date. Let this checkbox be ticked. We have active connection between date from calendar table and exit date from our exit data. One more relationship, calendar table date, exit data, date of joining. But this connection, we will keep it as inactive for now. Okay. Close this. Rename this as calculation. We will do all our calculations on this sheet. Come to pivot table, drag status to filters, employee name to values, active. Pivot table analyze. Here rename the table total headcount. Copy, paste. Instead of active, we will select inactive. Rename the pivot table to exits. Copy, paste. Exit type in filters. Select involuntary. Okay. Rename the table involuntary exits. Copy paste again. Instead of involuntary, select voluntary. Rename the pivot table voluntary exits. To keep the calculation simple, we will write the head count manually. Head count at the start of year. Since we are calculating for year 2025, we will take the starting head count as on 31st December 2024, which is 113 in our data. Active count, we have pivot table for this equals to, we will take it from active count pivot table. Attrition percentage is equals to voluntary exits divided by average of head count, which we have over here. Convert this in percentage. From our dashboard, we have all of these data points in our calculation sheet. Let's copy paste quickly. Total employee count is this. Total exits is this. Voluntary exits, involuntary exits, attrition percentage. The reason that we are picking up all of this from pivot table is in case anything in the data changes, all of this will also be updated. Let's say for Jessica, it was involuntary exit. We select involuntary. Instead of 2, this becomes 3. Data is updated over here. Let's Control Z. Come back to calculation table. Copy paste voluntary exits pivot table. Put tenure group in rows. Copy paste again. Now instead of tenure group, we will add exit reasons. Rename both the pivot tables. Tenure distribution, exit reasons. Copy paste again. We don't want exit reasons. We want months. Come to all. Drag date hierarchy to rows. Click on plus to view month-wise exits. Rename pivot month-wise exits. Let's add chart for all the pivot tables. Insert pie chart. We want percentage. Data label, data callout. Remove legends. We don't want field buttons. Go to pivot table, analyze, uncheck field buttons. Change the color combination. Rename title tenure-wise exits. Majority of exits have been in 3 to 6 years tenure group. Copy paste this to our dashboard. Adjust a little. Add border. Next chart for exit reasons. Insert recommended charts, pie chart. Remove field button. No legend. Title, exit reason distribution. Add border. Copy paste to our dashboard. Adjust a little on screen. Last chart. Insert recommended chart, line chart, data labels, no field button, remove y-axis, remove legend, add title month-wise exits, add border, and copy paste to our dashboard. Adjust the size so that it fits the screen properly. Add slicer, go to any pivot table, insert slicer. We want department and grade slicers. Right click, report connections. Ensure that it is connected to all the pivot table. That is why we were naming our pivot table. In case we want to exclude any connection, it becomes easy. Slicer again, make the connections. Right click, report connections. Select all the pivot tables one by one. Copy paste these slicers to our main dashboard. Let's see if data is getting updated. Click on finance. There are 3 exits, 2 voluntary, 1 involuntary. Attrition percentage is 3%. Voluntary exits have been in month of April and July, and these are the reasons. Next, we see marketing. 2 exits, both are voluntary in June and November month. Grade-wise also, we can slice the data. This was the simpler version with month-wise exit counts. But instead, if we want month-wise attrition percentage, like we have in our this dashboard, you will need a little in-depth understanding of Excel since it requires creating measures. We can also do that. I have done a tutorial on the same. I will leave the link above and in description box for you to view the same. That's it for this video. If you're finding my videos helpful, please like and comment. This motivates me to create more such content. Also, in case you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button. Bye-bye for now. Until next time, keep learning.